The environment of this lab has 3 text files: nodes list, edge list, and also all the points. Because we are going to update lively using the graphics and tick hinters. So XY coordinate for each point to draw polygon is given. So WA is using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points to draw this polygon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's other 6. Oh, this one is a 6. Maybe there's one more point to 7. So region has 7 points to make the polygon. So you can see that those points are given, so you can just work on that. And sample output is just printing the assignment. Assignment dictionary will be printed at the end. It should be matched with your graphic. If I show you the steps, so what you're gonna do is in the main, there are 2 parts you have to fill out. You're going to fill out the 2 parts that is reading text files, the first and second text files, and there's 4 more methods you have to fill. Before we start the lab, you have to know what is graphics first. Graphics is like when you had experience in foundations of computer science class, like a graphics. Java already made the graphics class, then we just used it like a fill wrangle, draw polygon. Python, someone made the graphics, but this is not global library. Someone just made it as open source, then distributed it to everyone, whoever wants to use it, use it. If you use it, if you have a graphics file in the same folder, then you can use all the classes and methods in here by importing. So from graphics module, I imported all those. And to use that, I also need to import one more thing, the tick hinter. From the tick hinter, I have to import all the methods because graphics will directly use the tick hinter. This one is one sample code. Make the frame. So graph will make a pop-up window with width and height. Then map is the window title. And set coordinate means we are going to use coordinates from 0 to 299, 0 to 199. This one means 300 by 200. It's inclusive, so you cannot use 300 to 200. One less pixel. Then shape object will have polygon class. Polygon object. Polygon is already defined in the graphics.py, graphics module. Then there's a point. When I run it, I can see side down triangle. So if I trace it, my point, 50, 100 will be left top point. Then 100, 50 will be middle bottom point. So you can see the y coordinate starting from the bottom, not from the top. So it is like a real XY axis coordinate, like a first quadrant. Then 150, 100 will be the right top point. So remember that I starts from bottom. Then there's a set fill, set outline, and draw method is there. So you already have some experience about how to use those, only some format is different. Then if you look at the shell code, in the main method, after you are working on the reading 2 text files, then the graphics part is already given. You just need to make sure graphics.py is in the same folder. And what I expect is update your graphics each time whenever you assign new value, new color to the region. If I run the, you can see each region is drawn. To see the difference, I just gave some space, like running goofy code to give some pause. So you're gonna see just the white color, then the solution will be none in the shell code. Then if you run, after you are done, you run, I'm doing the word checking for the first time. You can have all 3 at once, then comments out if you want. If you are done everything, then after it draws the basic with all white color, then it starts to put the color. I'm doing the board checking, so it is doing the random. And if it does not work, change the color. You can see that. If it's done, it prints assignment. What assignment is?